Hey everyone, this is Mike Mello, broker associate at Preferred Real Estate Brokers, coming to you today in the Narcoossee area of Central Florida, so a little bit south of Lake Nona and the Orlando International Airport. I'm going to show you this home behind me. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home of 1,828 square feet. This is starting at $299,990. They have inventory homes starting at that price. That's not the base price. That's actually inventory homes. They start at $299,990 and go up from there. Of this specific model, very similar upgrades and things that you see in this home. So that's as of today, which is May 7th, 2020. So prices may go up if you're watching this video later on. So let me go ahead and flip the camera around and show you this home. So as you can see, if you watch a lot of my videos, you'll notice that I always say it's a pretty nice day in Florida. And as it is, again, another nice, beautiful day with blue skies here in Florida. So let's go ahead and go inside. If you are interested in this home, make sure you text me or give me a call. My number is 407-487-3030. So as we come in here, the first thing that we see, we have a door here to the left, which is your coat area or storage area for when you come into the home. And then as we go over here, we have bedroom number 2 right here, which is a nice sized bedroom, as you can see. And then right next door is a full bathroom with plenty of space. It's actually pretty wide. I noticed it's wider than normal with the sink there. And then we have bedroom number 3 right here, which is at the front of the house. And then we'll go back down the hallway. And we can see this room over here with that picture in it. That's actually the laundry room. And then we have bedroom number 4 here, which they're currently using as like a little office area. And then the rest of the house is the living space. Has a nice kitchen. I'll show you that in just a second. And we have the dining room area over there. And then over here is the family room. And then I'll show you the kitchen here as we turn around. We have a nice big island, and then we have the cabinets there. The pantry is right there, and plenty of cabinet space there in the kitchen. And this is a brand new home, so everything's brand new. The roof's brand new, AC's brand new, everything's brand new, ready to move in. And they do have an inventory home right now at $299,990. So not bad for a brand new home, and really close to Lake Nona, which is a very popular area. We're in a good school zone here as well with highly rated schools. So, and then we come over here. Here's the master bath with the dual sinks. We have the shower there, and then we have the water closet. So that is this home. If you're interested in seeing it in person or want more information about this home, make sure you give me a call. My name's Mike. My phone number is 407-487-3030. Also, if you're watching this and you're thinking about getting your real estate license, or if you're a current realtor here in the Central Florida area and maybe interested in what our brokerage, Preferred Real Estate Brokers, has to offer, make sure you give me a call. We're awesome brokerage here in the Central Florida area, and I can definitely discuss all that stuff with you. So thank you for watching. Hope to meet some of you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.